Very good morning to all of you. So it's going to be short and it's pretty warm. So first and foremost, I'd like to congratulate all of you. The people, as Mr. Kushal Chatterjee was mentioning, IAM is all about people. And in fact, it is just by chance that the name became IAM, which actually came to I am, which basically means you are. So it's all about people. So we spoke about the alumni, we spoke about our students, we spoke about our teachers, our associate, our friends in the industry, the press, the media, and everybody for the last 25 years who have been our constant source of inspiration, constant source of motivation for us to go and grow big from a very, very humble beginning. Obviously, an institution is not a company. An institution is not a organization that is in the business, because an institution has got immortal life. An institution goes on. So it goes on for years, for 50 years, 100 years, 200 years. It is like an university. I think Calcutta University was made in 1825. It's still going very strong. So I think the first milestone is the 25 years. And I'm very happy that all of you are enjoying this 25th year, not just in our Calcutta campus, as well as our campus in Goa and our very young campus in Guwahati. So I'd like to congratulate all the students, faculty and associates of our Goa campus and Guwahati campus who are also on the Skype online with us as we are talking and enjoying. Imagination is the beginning of creation. Now listen to this very carefully. It is very, very interesting. Not often I quote people, but sometimes I do. Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, and you will what you imagine, and at last you create what you will. George Bernard Shaw. For those who doesn't know George Bernard Shaw, please go to Google and read something more. These lines by the immortal GBS as we say, George Bernard Shaw said. So when we created IAM along with our co-founder Ms. Chowdhury, it was more of an imagination that one day we'll create something. And obviously it took us quite few years, and then it took off. So I think that there are a lot of nostalgic moments in this last 25 years of journey. We have grown from almost nowhere, or from almost minus, not even zero, to what we are today. Not just IAM, but the entire group that supports as a part of IAM. So I'm very proud that the first institution we have actually come in the entire group for the first time. We have completed 25 years. I want to say that. We have completed. So technically this is not our 25th anniversary. Technically we have actually completed 25 years, because we started on 1st of the April, on the April Fool's Day in 1989. So honestly, I mean, a lot of people ask me in a lot of places why 1st April. So I only say because the rent started from 1st April to the rented premises. So we never realized that we are starting on a very, very interesting day. But I tell you very honestly, we had not been fooling around. We have been working very hard, and as everybody knows, our biggest, greatest, largest pillar of strength are our people. Be it your seniors, be it your alumni, be it our current student, be it our staff, be it the professors and the faculty who are no more with us. Maybe they have left IAM, but they have left indelible mark in the education and training standards of IIM. And we are very proud of all of them. We are very proud of all of you. And there are a lot of people who have passed away. There are people like Professor Arun Bhattacharya, Professor Amitabh Banerjee, Professor Jai Sood, who had illustrious career as faculty in IIM, but unfortunately they are not with us in this world today. But they have contributed a lot to make IIM what it is today. So once again, enjoy the day. It's the first time we are into the Silver Jubilee, and it is also my Silver Jubilee in my education career. I passed out as a CA in 1986, but in education, I also started in the same day, on the April Fool's Day on 1989. So for me also personally, this is a Silver Jubilee. So once again, heartiest congratulations. We're sorry about the sun. We can't really help, but then I think that's also a good auspicious thing that we are having a good sun today. So as they say, enjoy the day, and we are very, very proud of all of you, not just in Kolkata, but in all our campus. And as they say that we are dynamites, you are dynamites. The word dynamite was created by one of student like you. We didn't create it. The director didn't create it. It was created by one of our student, ex-student. So everything was evolved around the student here. And as very proud students of IIM, I'm sure that you will have a great future. So I wish all of you a very successful, happy, wealthy future. I always believe that, and I always pray that all of my students become rich people. It's very important. Realistically. They earn a lot of money, they have a lot of cars, and they become very rich people. And also happy people. Not just rich, but also happy. So, thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being patient. And once again, congratulations and happy birthday to all of you. Thank you very much.
Sir, colleagues, and my dynamites, past and present. It's indeed a proud moment for me that I am standing here in front of you to see the Silver Jubilee functions being celebrated. I would like to thank everybody associated with this group who are perhaps with us or not with us across India, across the world, who have been associated and left their mark in this institution. I'd not take a lot of your time, as sir said, a lot of sun, but we are IIMites, right? We can take on sun, we can take on the rain, we can take on the storm, we can take on the clouds, we can take on everything. Doesn't matter what comes before challenge. This runs within our blood. The color of IIM red, it runs in our blood, it runs in the logo, it is there in the passion, and this is the courage. We can take on everything. Good times, bad times, all times. I just want to reiterate what I say to all of you in every occasion. Sir actually stole my lines in the beginning. What is IIM? I just want to tell you about IIM. IIM is not this building that you see in front. The students in Goa, Guwahati, you are seeing a building over here. This is not IIM. The swimming pool in Goa is not IIM. The banquet hall in Guwahati is not the IIM. IIM is the I, which all of you are there in front, who are there working somewhere, some distant corner of the world. That I is IIM. And as long as that I will be there, IAM will be there. It is not 25 years. The I in you will keep IIM alive. The legacy of 25 years, the alumni who have seen it and made it what it is today, Now the responsibility is on your shoulder to take this to another 25 years, to make sure that we reach a glorious 50th year. And that is your responsibility. We cannot rest on our past laurels. That we cannot. And every day I can tell here we have worked. Every day, whenever we were small, when we were big, when we were having good times, we have worked to make things possible. We have dreamt big, and then we have tried in each way to make that dream possible. We didn't stay at dreaming big only. Dare to do. So doing is very important. Dreaming is important, but doing is more important than dreaming. And each one of you, as long as that I in you does, IIM will be alive. I can live happily that there is nothing that can touch IIM so long as you are there, your spirit is there. That is what is IIM. IIM is not a brick and mortar. IIM is not this red flex. It is much more than that. And as I would like to conclude here, I don't want to keep you waiting in the sun. I would like to remind all of us, it is time to repledge and rededicate ourselves and not to move from the focus that we have started on 1st April 1981. Nothing is too small, nothing is unimportant when it comes to giving out value-based education. And that is what makes IIM what it is today. We are not a very big, glamorous institute, but we stand for the values that we believe in. And that is what makes IIMites different from the others. That is why we stand out in a crowd. Even when there are many institutes around us, we'll still stand out in the crowd because the values, the foundations make it different. And that is the thing that you need to carry on wherever you are. Thank you very much, my dynamites. And I hope wherever you are, you'll keep the flag of IIM flying very high. Thank you very much.